Yo, what's up? It is LinusCSGOAT, and we are going to be talking about arrays in C++. Now, guys, in order to start talking about arrays, we first need to understand what an array is. And an array is just a collection of stuff in the same data type that we kind of put in a line. So, how do we declare arrays? You see, we can declare an array simply by saying the variable type, the name, and then these brackets, and then the number of stuff, which we call elements in an array. And then we actually initialize our array, as you see right here. We just use the curly braces and we separate our values by commas. So I created an array of scores, 75, 85, 100, 60, 90, and an array of names, Adam, Bob, Charlie, David, and Evan. Now, we can access arrays through loops, where we loop through all the elements in an array. And the indexes start at 0 just out of convention. And so what we're going to say is for I is 0, I is less than 5, and I plus plus, the names of I got a score of scores of I, which means that the name contained at that I index, score contained at that I index, it's going to print it out. Now, we can also manipulate arrays and functions. And interestingly, we don't need the ampersand to do so. Now, what do you guys predict will happen to scores? Just take a quick look at double everything. I'm going to uncomment it. And true to its name, it doubled all the values. So that's the basics about working with arrays in C++. No ampersand needed for manipulation and functions, and brackets and curly brackets. Bye.